here's the deal. Hopefully I put a disclaimer, but if I didn't, here's another one. And if I did, here's another one. I don't want to get in trouble. Don't do this. This is dumb. I'm dumb. I'm very smart, but stupid. I'm a professional. Every stunt performed in this video is done by a professional in a closed and controlled environment. Do not attempt this at home. So, back to what I was saying. This is a bottle of Prosecco. I love Prosecco. Alright, now that part's done, let's get right into this build. For our cooler, we're rocking a 92mm Asetek 645 LT. Now for our graphics card, we have none other than the RTX 3070 Ti. You know, it's kind of boring how normal I feel. We're going to install it. I think most of these CPUs install it upside down. I don't know why, but on this board, the lettering is upside down. Doink. Doink. RAM. You know what they say. Nothing matches a blue motherboard like red RAM. Yes, this is red DDR4. Should I have it? No. Did I pretend to be someone I wasn't to get it? Yes. That's none of your business. Again, actually, you know what? That looks quite nice. So there's our RAM fully installed. We're going to be so pissed when I'm not looking at the lens this entire video. Now it's time to... SSD. Let's grab that real quick. We're just going to install it on this board as well as long on this board. Good old dog fare. Everyone loves dog fare. Oh, I missed. There we go. You know, Linus Tech Tips is a scammer. Be honest, I need some thermal paste. Arctic MX4. Probably shouldn't be naming brands in this video because I doubt they want to be associated with it. But I don't care. Because it's a good brand, whether you're drunk or not. And if you're not drunk, go buy some Arctic MX4. And if you are drunk, what are you doing with your life? It's 2:30 p.m. on a Saturday. It's not even Saturday. Alright, let's install this cooler. Can I face it? Whoa. God, Asetek mounting is so easy. Why doesn't everyone just copy it? It's so good. This video is not sponsored by Asetek. But if it was, I would sincerely question. Then again, they've sponsored my other videos, so like, I still question their vetting process. I love Asetek though; they make really good coolers, and they actually look really sexy. All right, we got our Asetek cooler installed. This thing is freaking cool. If you want it, you can find it at asetek.com. I don't know if it's asetek.com, but you can find it on Asetek's website actually. Whoa. System fan, we'll put that right in there. Alright, so for our graphics card, we got the RTX 3070. Everyone loves the not company. Whoa, that's heavy. Alright, so we've got... Oh my god, it's brand new. I probably shouldn't even open it. I should probably just use a different card. But honestly, I don't care enough to care. So, back to what I was saying. This, hold on. This is an RTX 3070 Ti. I have not actually tested it yet. I bought it brand new though. So, hopefully it works. This will be the test for it. This card is fucking insane. It's really cool. It's got 8 gigs of RAM, which is so dumb. Nvidia, I hate you. I literally hate you. Fucking 8 gigs of RAM? Are you stupid? Are you an idiot? Do your parents even love you? What is wrong with you? 8 gigs of RAM? I hate you. I've run out of VRAM in every game I've played. So, it's got 2 8-pins, it's a 3070 Ti, it's basically a 3070, but they added nothing and then called it a Ti and then charged you double the price because Nvidia's a bunch of scammers, just like Linus Tech Tips. So, where's a box? Here's a box. There's a monitor I bought one time. Hold on, can I lift it by the cooler? Ooh. If anyone wants my 3070, if this video's up in time. Oh, hold on, we haven't even unwrapped this thing of the plastic yet. We gotta take off our displays. This video is gonna suck ass. Alright. If anyone wants my personal RTX 3070, I'll give it to you with $1,000. PayPal. US only. This thing is pretty sick. So, what do we got on here? I need to buy a new PC case. God fucking damn it. That's a pain in the ass. It's got triple fan though, and that's pretty cool. So we're just gonna install that like so. Hold on. There we go. We're just gonna install that like that. Alright, we need a power supply. Don't worry, I've got a power supply that is fitting for the wattage of this build. Oh, it's so heavy. Good thing I'm strong. Just kidding. This is an EVGA 1300 watt G2 PSU. If you can't tell what kind of power supply it is, or the wattage, from what I just said, you're a fucking idiot. I'm gonna hate editing this video, because I fucking know right now I look like an idiot. But hey, I look like an idiot when I'm not drunk. So, honestly, what's the difference? I hope my mic is still working. Oh, I forgot a case! I need a new house. Mine doesn't work. Also, I don't own it. DisplayPort. Everyone loves DisplayPort. If this PC boots first try, you heard me here. There's no fucking reason. Hey, what's up? It was the IRS. They want me to pay taxes. I refuse. I'm kidding. Yeah, in Minecraft. If IRS actually is watching this YouTube video. Is this computer ready to go? Fuck it.